Today in this video we are going to solve very amazing questions and which was asked in the Microsoft. So let's understand a query. So query saying write a query to find the top two power users who sent the most messages on Microsoft Teams in August 2022. The ID display the IDs of these two users along with the total number of messages they sent. Output the result in descending count of the message. And assumption is also given like no two users have sent the same number of messages in August 2022. So means there should not be two users who have sent the same number of messages in the month of August. So we have table message table, and in this we have message ID, sender ID, receiver ID, content and send date. So like you can see in sender ID 3601 3601 and 3601. In the month of August, they have sender ID in the month of August have sent two messages, and the sender ID 4500 in the month of August have sent one message. So like output should be in this way: sender ID, message count. So let's start the query. Select. So like we have to find sender ID and message count in the output. So we'll mention here sender ID, count of message ID, as count messages as message count. We can write anything, but let's write whatever we have given. Message count from messages table is messages table, where so like we have given a condition like we have to find out in the month of August. So for this we will use send date and we will extract month and year from the send date. So for this we have a function extract. So basically what extract do, extract it's that's part from the given date. So like I want to extract month from send date, and I want to extract year from send date, and year from send date. Now I will use group by sender ID, order by messages count, and it should be in descending order. And for top 2 we will use here limit 2. Argument at okay, so and select sender ID count from messages, where extract month from send date and extract year from month should be equal to 8 and year should be equal to 2022. So this is the output, like sender ID, and this is the message count. I hope it's clear to you all. Now we will submit this query. And it's accepted. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.